In apple picking, we're living the real suburban life, darling. And that's everything we got. We did some damage. And I actually got these baskets and put some of the stuff in here, and then pastas. Come on, Jameer. Come on, Jameer. Yes, Jameer. Yeah. Come on, Jameer. Yeah. Come on. Four. One. Yeah, we don't get him on video. Come on, Barry. Bye, Lonnie. Everything up on camera. Should have back. Bye, Lonnie. You should back camera right here. Bye, Lonnie. Come back in, go help your brother then. You're too lazy. Can I come? Can I come? You want juice? Yeah, juice. And pens. Who comes? On you. Good girl. You walk past 2 away, so I'm going to your mother, so I'm going to ask you juice. Good job. Good job. Good job. So hi everybody. Hi. I know in this vlog you probably seen us on the airplane and me playing basketball with my little brothers. If you guys are new here, originally from Pennsylvania, so I am back home chilling with my mom and my brothers and my niece. And your brothers, those are your uncles. I'm the oldest of 6. So So we're about to go shopping today, and I thought it would be a good idea to take you along for the ride. I'm in one of my brother's car, and me and mom about to go shopping, so that's what we're doing today. I thought I would finally take the camera up and do a little bit of vlogging, because I've been here for weeks and I have not been vlogging. So yeah, let's get on the road.
Mommy. Mommy.
You don't like this?
You like it?
You like that? Me like this. But me I look for flat shoes. This one is nice. And they have brown over here so too.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Side.
And push my foot in her. It's a bit white.
Mommy. Have you seen the dead?
Always try the left foot.
Mommy. Why you push the one with Melanie and?
This one is nice. Kai was crying. Thought it would be a good idea to sort out some of this stuff. So we're home. Melanie is passed out over there, and Kai is right there. So I went to Old Navy and we went to Ross. I went to Old Navy because I thought they were having a sale, but a lot of the things in there weren't on sale. Okay, but anyway, we still got them. Mom bought some of it and I bought some of it. So yeah, I'm gonna sort this stuff out because I also bought some stuff for my niece, and then I'm gonna eat dinner. With that being said, I'll see y'all later. I'm tired, I'm done. Okay, come pop me back at him.
What you know, Papi?
Yeah, no, Papi. When you pop, just make sure say you popcorn. That's all.
And you may have find the pan still. Gotcha.
It's fucking the dog.
Oh, you mean I know if you do this? Oh, sit down.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me feel the pressure. That the one that ball, I don't know where my ball from.
What are you about?
Okay.
He's never not.
Saying yes, man, the door. Me say it was me.
Switch places, meaning
Where's my car?
Alright, man, this is the squad that we're rocking with in the year 2017. Curry's gonna be at the shooting guard, and Westbrook is gonna be at the point guard.
I need a bit of ice in mine.
So far, this is looking insane. The squad is 20-4. This is great. The season has ended. And
Rum, please.
still manages to win MVP. After
As an alcohol.
As a drunkard.
Every day this girl drinks champagne. How are you?
Cheers, bitches.
5 and 6, and then Curry stats are 20.
Alright, so I guess.
They finished off with the best record in the league. Personally, was
Eat your food. Oh, jeez.
Mommy?
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Mommy too.
What's your name, Papa?
Makai.
What's your name?
I'm ready.
Oh.
It's here. I
You know, for Thanksgiving, you're going to have to put your money where your mouth is. Since you can make mac and cheese so very well, you don't put your money where your mouth is. It's only fair.
Help me, please. I am falling.
Now use your hands.
So I thought you wasn't hanging on it.
Come on, back up here.
I let the gravity pull me out.
You was not expecting that to look good. I should have took it. They look like you. He look like you just need to go.
All they had to do was take me up and I'd drop down.
And you want to ride?
A free ride.
To where?
Here you everything.
Everything get off in this girl. Mr. James?
Me sorry for
Me asked her if she want a red car. She said that thing is ugly and she will not be driving.
I will.
Thank boy, you want that? All right. Our man want the red dog.
Jabari, you're
So Mr. James, you really trying to get 2500 for that?
Jabari,
Not 35, 25.
But you can't get 25.
Let me say this to you, Jabari.
That car got, what?
It don't matter, you beat it up.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, he did.
Not
Look
really.
how it dent up and nobody in their right mind and give you 25. You're lucky if you get grand.
1500. Max.
3,000.
They can put it on the floor, they can drop it down on the floor. They don't
even think about it.
They ain't want it. They don't want that. Trust me.
That should be a low rider with no roof.
Alright, so.
Watch this. In Jamaica, how much it go for?
I put Jamaica in your food.
10,000. 10,000 in Jamaica.
You lucky if somebody give you.
Nobody
Please.
Nobody
in
don't drive.
Jamaica don't drive
Don't
that.
try.
Believe that.
They love that.
Everybody,
That's luxury.
listen. Jamaica like
for who?
what?
That's luxury.
If you don't have a Honda or a Toyota, nobody's buying it.
Yeah.
You come there with that Suzuki or so, whatever it is, Hookie, whatever Hookie it is.
Suzuki.
Nobody wants it.
Don't try. Well, look.
And it's a dead car. Dead
Very
car.
reliable.
That I never seen.
Reliable and it's like, Shakira said she drove it and it almost stopped on the road.
I was like, I'm not driving it again.
It ain't almost stopped.
Mr. James, it was
just
about to
need
break down.
alignment.
How many times do we ride in that meeting?
No, I'm talking about the blue. Remember that blue car where Rahim crashed off the door and got $3,400?
Yeah.
Man, if you crawl through the passing that side
I see.
door. Me tell him, somebody tell me say they like out and you're notorious for that. Me tell the man to step on the brake. The man put the car in a reverse and lick off the door on the stop sign of my brother.
Tell me whose fault that was.
That's not my fault.
It's your fault.
No.
The boy ain't never got behind a wheel.
You don't even know what brakes. What? You even know what
All right, look.
What he just said?
Look.
He don't even know what brakes.
Alright, look. I was changing out the wheels because my tires was flat the other day. And I told him to step on the brake. Why is he pressing the gas? Because you know he had to turn it to get the wheel off because it's spinning. I said step on the brake. He pressing the gas. Thank God the car was off.
Why you put him behind the wheel?
Well, who else am I gonna have to?
You should have used the last time I met that video.
Well, thank God the car was off. No keys, thank God.
You should have put Shari. Shari can drive.
Ashar was even bored than I bet.
Shari.
Me sure I would have known the brake and me go on.
Shari know what to do.
Ashar was probably like 8.
Well, look off the door and home insurance high. Well, it never high, but the deductible $1,000 and me never have that. So me have to wait too much month before me could have changed it to 5 days. Out of the passenger side. You want me to pull up over the passenger side door. Me a crawl out. So embarrassing, man.
How old was he when this happened?
And then they took forever to fix it because they couldn't get the light off. The interior light, the door light.
That car wasn't no good.
How old
It wasn't no good.
I told Jackie not to get it.
Well, when me did young and desperate, me didn't want that vehicle.
How old was Raheem when he broke the side door?
How old was he? I don't know. He was old. Yeah, I don't remember that.
To drive.
I don't remember.
Oh, yeah, I was in what do you call it?
I have a very
Head Start. Yeah, I was in Head Start.
I have a very faint memory of that.
Yeah. Me used to drop him off in there and I see him side door, he just mash up and spit.
How old was he though?
Raheem was old enough to know better. Yes, he was.
Like old enough to drive. Those were the good old days.
I me tell me buy the car for mommy. Mommy not drive it, so me have to sell it.
Huh?
Yeah, me buy green car, me did buy.
Green. Okay.
What's our yellow car? Make it eat for everybody. Me ready to care.
Car not ready for you.
You ready? You're ready.
You're mad?
So it's kind of dark in here. It's the end of the night and we toiled away in the kitchen and we cooked dinner. This is probably going to be my last Sunday here, so we had family dinner like we used to do all the time. I'm out of breath. I just came up 2 flights of steps. But anyway, we had family dinner like we normally do. We've always had family dinners around our table and talk and stuff. You guys can see I come from a great family. I definitely need to start coming home more often, for sure. And that will be on the agenda for the rest of this year and next year. So hi. In today's vlog, we're going apple picking. We're living the real suburban life, darling. So the gang's all here. The gang is all. Where the apple in there?
Ain't no apples in here.
That's corn. Yes, I pick you. I pick you.
So I will not go that corn that day.
That there is that there. That's a grape.
I want to do corn.
No, do no corn. We are going.
In the tree.
In the tree mid-air. Can't bring jump it. No one. I can't that. I want the apple in there.
Put it in the bag.
Hey boy, now put them in the 15 in there, man.
That was your apple?
Uh-huh.
Are we here at the farm?
Yeah, we're at the farm.
What type of right thing is that?
We are here at the farm. Oh, why are we here? Huh?
Forgive me, I'm chopping my mouth.
Can I see the apples? We're going to pick the apples. We're going to pick the apples. Yum, yum, yum.
Wanna see? Wanna see them?
Apple them there? Yes. We finally found the apple.
You don't watch them.
Ah!
Eat what you eat.
Shall I pick you up off of the floor, my dear? Gotta fold the bags.
These are more like strawberries.
Oi, them the apple.
These are look at that. These are strawberries. This ain't apples.
Now there's strawberry.
Come, you gotta pick them off the tree.
How much you going?
Don't put that in the bag.
25.
How they don't know how much in there?
Just fully, fully. Go put it in a show bag, Papa.
No, go put it in.
It actually tastes good.
What? Try don't put that smoke.
Don't pick the ones up off the floor, guys.
A big half a tree, what we do it?
Off the tree.
All them apples, but none of them.
Look there. Look for the good apple. Oh, no, see. Alan, let me show you.
Which apple? Up there?
Pick up.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Look at them. Look at those at the top. You see them at the top? Look. Get them. Get them.
I'm gonna taste test it. See, this one look good?
I want you to get big ones. Those ones up there.
$25.
Yeah.
Pick one.
Huh?
So 25 for it. $1 for one apple.
Or $25 for everybody coming here and pick you up.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Here, I saw about you're going to die.
Ryan, put them in.
You're eating one right now.
Alan,
I'm.
You're eating one right now. You are going to pass away.
Here, bougie, I heard.
Well,
one, two. Grab them.
oh, what them store-bought apples.
Come, please.
They're not washed. Want some?
Melanie. You picked some already, Melanie? Did you pick any already, Melanie?
Don't worry, not off the floor.
Off the floor. Let grandma pick you up and take
That's
it.
good, right?
So you can pick. Hold on. Come, Melanie. Here. Akeem.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Get that down!
I'll wait after them to sit here.
We didn't batty out the door. I saw. Mickey and Mother. And we lost.
Can we take a picture, all of us? Hold on, let's go.
These are the gourmet.
Don't forget Melanie. Melanie said.
No, I'm going to forget her there. I already forgot her. Come.
Oh. So it's late. I'm gonna end this vlog here. We had a lot of fun picking apples. My throat is hurting. Think I'm getting sick, but that's neither here nor there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's my last day here, and the lighting isn't doing it justice, but if you guys ever wanted to know where I get the whole decorating and all of that, it's from my mama. And excuse me, I'm not feeling well, but it's definitely from my mama. But with that being said, I'm gonna close this vlog out, and I'm gonna say please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.